Hi, today I set up Tenda Wi-Fi extender. This is the Tenda A9. You will find basic installation information here. Wi-Fi network name. Default access, re.tenda.cn. This is existing wireless router. And this is Tenda range extender. The steps are as follows. Settings. Wi-Fi. Find Tenda's network name. Connect. Connected. This is Tenda's IP address. On a web browser, enter re.tenda.cn to access Tenda. re.tenda.cn. Go. Is searching for Wi-Fi networks around. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to. Enter the password of that Wi-Fi network. For example, 123,456,789. Uncheck. Set up a new Wi-Fi name and password for Tenda. For example, NETVN. And password is 12,345,678. This is the name and password of the extended network after setup is complete. Finish. Wait a moment. Observe to LED on Tenda. Set up successfully. Check the result. Search for the wireless network you just established. Network name, NETVN. Password, 12,345,678. Connected. YouTube. NETVN. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Place your Tenda in a location where you can get green Wi-Fi LED.